Hello guys, this is Philip from Werewolf Online. This video is a really quick tutorial to show you how to record your screen and your voice and your image for a playtest for Werewolf. So you can use pretty much any software you want for recording, but on most Google phones, on most Android phones, Play Games, the app comes already pre-installed and it does pretty much all we need. So to get started, just open this app over here, and in there make sure you find your Werewolf Online app, click on the app, and then in the top left corner you will see a small recording icon. Just click on that and it will open the small menu, which you can see down here. You have the options to enable and disable voice, enable, disable audio, and to start and stop the recording. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and open the app, give the app to the tester, and just have the tester play a couple of games, all the while talking to themselves, just talking, thinking what they're doing. So for example, if I were a tester, I would say, okay, I've opened the screen, I'm going to read the buttons. On the very top it says Spielen, that's German for to play a game. So probably the first thing I want to do is just click play a game. So we'll click in here, and then so on and so forth. And it will go into the game. Then probably they will be a little bit confused in the beginning because they don't know all the different roles. But that's okay, that's natural. Just tell them they can say whatever they want, they can show any kind of confusion. That's totally up to them, that's totally okay. Yeah, so once they've played a couple of rounds, make sure to stop the recording, go back to the instructions where you probably got this video from, and then you can submit your video. And once you've submitted your video, make sure to let me or Emmanuel know, and you will get a small thank you token, because you've been really awesome, you've helped us a lot by creating this video, and we really appreciate it. So I hope you had fun watching this video. I hope you have fun watching and playing Werewolf, and I hope to make this a better game. Thank you guys. Bye bye.